What is up, everybody? Tyler Magnello here, back at it again with another video. I know it's been like a week or two, but I'm so sorry, guys. I got carried away with some other business I had to take care of. But in this video that you guys are probably wondering on how to make money on Instagram in 2018. And we're going to get started with that. But before we get started with that, I want you guys to please smash that subscribe and like button, and please comment below so I can get some feedback on this video for future daily content and what you guys want to see in the future. So you guys want to know on how to make money on Instagram, right? So I'm going to give you some tips and some pillars on how to follow me and how to make money online, okay? So the thing about making money on Instagram is everybody's really confused if there's even a way to make money on Instagram. And there actually is. There's actually a really easy way to make money on Instagram. And it's called creating your own accounts with a specific niche, right? Even if you don't like doing it, but I prefer this method. I prefer you doing something that you are passionate about in a certain niche, because doing this method on making money on Instagram, you're gonna have to be making posts every day and making 3 to 5 posts a day. So make sure it's something you're most passionate about, and something that will come easy to you instead of something that you aren't passionate about, and your willpower will eventually burn out and you'll fade away with this whole making money on Instagram. So make sure it's something you're passionate about first, and pick a niche. So what's a niche? Like anything on Instagram, a niche would be like a luxury niche or success or motivation. I mean, any type of niche that people are looking for, even like memes, even a meme account could be sort of a niche. I've seen many meme accounts make profit off of their account, and I know ways what they're doing, they make profit, and I know exactly what they're doing with their account. So just follow along with these steps I'm going to give you, and just pay attention, because these are really simple. You just got to watch the whole video, and at the end I'm going to give a bonus offer for you guys, so stick with me, okay? So for this finding your niche on Instagram, you want to find your niche, right? Create that account, and if you don't have any content in your account because you just started, it's fresh, so you don't have any authentic information on your account, or on any authentic videos or pictures on your Instagram account, then you can just go do this. Just go find accounts and go find posts that have went viral, get viral posts, and just repost them. That's it. That's how Instagram works. That's how the internet works, guys. It's just reposting content, just getting other content, making it your own, and throwing it out there for your other viewers to see. And people just like, if it's coming from your page, if it's from a certain page, they'll like it. And if you just keep doing it over and over again, you build your content up, and you look like a reliable source on Instagram, like say like you're like a sports Instagram page or like a basketball page, and you just keep posting these sports videos and like highlights, people will gather to that. They will gather to that, and you'll start to see a massive income of followers to your page. So repost, and well, go find posts and then repost them, okay? Next is, how do you go viral? So how you go viral is, you don't just post pictures and videos and that's it. How you go viral is you have to find the top hashtags for that niche. So look online for that niche and find the top hashtags. It's all over Google, guys. It tells you how many people search for this hashtag. Like it shows thousands of people search for this hashtag, millions of people search for this hashtag, or billions. I recommend staying at 1 million followers for hashtags. Don't go beyond 1 million, because if it's like in the billion region, you're probably not going to be seen if you're a fresh account, because you're new, and you won't surpass somebody that's been around posting those hashtags for a while. So get hashtags from 1 million or below, and you will start to see an income of traffic to your page, right? Now, on Instagram, the thing is about Instagram, the new thing about Instagram, well, it's sort of new, but you want to get to Instagram's Explore page. And the Explore page is when you go to the search and it just shows all those posts from random people that you don't even know who it is, but like it looks like it's pertaining to you. Because say like I'm like I like lifting, and I do like lifting, and every time I go on my Explore page, I always see lifting accounts popping up because I've always typed it in on my search bar, and Instagram automatically knows that I'm searching for like motivation or gym posts. So that's how you get to the Explore page. And how you get to the Explore page is just getting a massive amount of followers. One, getting massive amount of feedback, so likes and comments. So they want feedback, and if you get a lot of feedback on your posts, like likes and comments, and you will start bumping up into the Explore page, and that's how you'll be seen, and you'll start getting more traffic from that, and that's how that works. So you'll get a flood of traffic to you from the Explore page. Now, next, what I want to talk to you guys, this is how to make money on Instagram. This is the bread and butter to making money on Instagram. You have to monetize your page. You don't have anybody monetizing your page except you on Instagram. So you got to figure out what your page worth is, okay? So first way to make money on Instagram. First way to make money on Instagram is one, shout outs. Okay, you see a lot of pages doing it. You see a lot of pages doing shout outs to other people that you don't even know who they are, or they have no, it's probably like some Instagram model. You're like, why is she even on his page? That's a shout out, guys. And those people are paying that page to post their content on their page. So say like somebody comes to me and they want to ask me, hey, can you promote my picture, or can you promote my video, man? I really appreciate that. And like they come at me with something like that, and say like, seeing where I'm at in my followers, say I have like 10,000 followers, you have a price cap on you. But if you have, say, from 10,000 followers and you have like another guy that has 100,000 followers, the price is going to be totally different when they're asking for shout outs. So say like I have 10,000 followers, they ask for a shout out, like we'll say it's probably like $300 or like a $200 cost for me to promote them, right? But then if you're at 100,000 subscriber level, you could charge them triple, okay? You can charge them triple or even more. And that's one of the ways to make money on Instagram, guys. So one is shout outs, okay? Two is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is something I do, and if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it in a link below. It's a really awesome way to make income online passively while you're sleeping. But if you have a page, affiliate marketing, you would have your link. You would post your links in your pictures or in your description, and it would pertain to that niche, or it could just be a random niche into that post. So off the affiliate marketing, you get a commission once they click that link and they put their email in, and if they buy that product, you get a commission off that purchase. And there's a ton of affiliate marketing products out there, guys. You could affiliate with anything. Like you could be affiliate with Amazon, you could be affiliate with eBay, anything on Google. Just type in affiliate marketing. And if you guys just want to see a quick way to get into affiliate marketing, I have a link below, because that's what I'm doing right now. I've been doing it for about 6 months now, and I have earned at least $5,000 in the past 6 months without doing a thing except posting links. So it's pretty passive. I don't do any work. I don't do any hard work. I'm just sending traffic out there. Well, I'm just sending ads out there, and I'm getting traffic back to me, and eventually that traffic turns into profits. Okay, and just say like the guy had that like 100,000 followers on his Instagram page, and you had that affiliate marketing link in your Instagram bio, and say 10% click that link. and they follow that link and they put their email in, 10% of 100,000 followers is 10,000 people, guys. 10,000 people will be clicking that link, and you will be earning part of that. You'll be earning what 10,000 people are going into. So whatever commission they're giving you for that product, you're getting the commission for 10,000 people, guys. 10,000 people. I mean, like, it's even crazy when it's like not even 100,000 people. It may be like 50,000, but that's still a lot of leads and a lot of purchases. So you got to look at it that way, guys. It's not a fast track way to get rich, but it's more of a uphill climb and more of a steep hill climb. And the tortoise always wins the race. So 2 is affiliate marketing, and I highly recommend it because I do it, and it's working really well right now. And the next year, I hope to at least make $50,000 in my 1.5 year mark. Next, and last but not least, is creating your own product, guys. So creating your own product, it's a little bit trickier. It's pretty much on you. So you'd have to follow up with email marketing. So email marketing is you emailing your customers every day. You would have a day list that just auto responds to people. It's not really that hard. You can check out autoresponder, like any autoresponder. There's SendLane, Aweber. Aweber is the one I use right now. It's not that hard to set up, guys. It's really just self-taught. I've self-taught everything I've done in this online marketing business. So I'm sure you can too, because I was never online savvy. So creating your own product. So that could be like anything specified to that niche, or like if you are already bumping on the followers, if you have a good following list and you decided to create your own product like merchandise or something like that, you would just put that link into that description and your followers would eventually click that link. I mean, it's usually like a 5 to 10% of your followers that usually click the link and follow along with it. So, but still, that's still 10,000 followers or whatever you want to count. And it's a crazy way to make money, guys. It really is. But those are my 3 ways, guys. So 1, shout outs. 2, affiliate marketing. Definitely check that out in the link below. And 3, create your own product. And these are the ways to make money on Instagram in 2018. And the cool thing about Instagram now is that it changed in the past year, is that I'm going to give you this last tip. I'm going to give this little bonus. This last tip that Instagram did in the last year, they created stories, right? So the cool thing about stories is you could just make a story and you could just be like to your followers, you could be like, if anyone is interested on making $500 to $1,000 a day, DM me. And you will get DMs if you have a lot of followers, and if your followers are really engaged with you, you will get a plethora of people coming to you and asking, how do you make $500 to $1,000 a day? And that's when you tell them how you make $500,000 a day, and then you give them products that are free, because everybody likes free products. And then eventually they will fall for that. They will fall for you, and not like fall for you, but they will trust you, because you have to create a trust with your customers, right? You don't want to just sell them. So you want to create a trust. You want them to know you. So you give them free products, and then eventually when they want to move on into like those free products, and they want to keep moving on, then you lay it on them about the product they have to purchase that's like $1,000, and then that's how you make your profit, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make $1,000, on how to make money on Instagram, on how to make $500 to $1,000 on Instagram every day. Please smash that subscribe button below. Leave a like, a dislike, I don't care. Give me some feedback. Leave a comment below. If this is your first time watching this video, if this is your first time at my channel, leave a comment below and say first, and I'm going to get back to you with a comment back and give you a warm welcome to my channel, okay guys? I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you all. I love you. And stay tuned for future daily content from your boy Tyler. All right. Thank you.